Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. Nikul and you are at the channel Cool Professor Nikul. So today we'll be starting the another category of anti-infective agents, that is urinary tract anti-infective agents. So let's start. What is urinary tract anti-infective agent? So they are the agents that are capable of acting against infective agents which are present in the urinary tract. So what are they? They are the agents which are capable of acting against infective agents which are present in the urinary tract. Okay, now the classification, mainly it is quinolone derivatives. Example are norfloxacin, ciprofloxacin and moxifloxacin, ofloxacin and lomifloxacin. Then naphthyridine derivatives. Basically, the examples are nalidixic acid and inoxine. Cinolene derivatives. The examples are sinoxine. Okay, let's go one by one. First, norfloxacin. Stability and the storage is keep away from light and moisture and store in a well closed container. Uses are mainly it is used for the treatment of uncomplicated gonorrhea, and it is indicated for the treatment of urinary tract infections. Then the formulations in which the norfloxacin is available, that is in the eye drops form, tablets and suspensions. The popular brand names are Basagile, Euroflox, Norilet, Norbacetin and Norflox. The next drug is ciprofloxacin. The stability and the storage is keep away from light and moisture and store in a well closed container. It is used in the treatment of chancroid, disseminated gonorrhea, for post-exposure treatment of inhalation anthrax. Then pharmaceutical formulations which are there are mainly eye drops, tablets and injections. Popular brand names are Cifrin, Ciplox, Ciprobid, Quintor and Ciprolet. The next drug is moxifloxacin. Moxifloxacin, mainly the stability and the storage is same, that is keep away from light and moisture and stored in a well closed container. The uses are mainly it is used in the combination with levofloxacin as a second line antitubercular drug, and it is also used in pneumonias. The formulation in which moxifloxacin is available, it is available in the eye drops form, and the popular brand names are Moxif, Staxone, Moxisip, Milflox, Avilox, Moxair, and Vigamox. Ofloxacin. Ofloxacin, this is the structure, and the following is the IUPAC. The stability and the storage is keep away from light and moisture and stored in a well closed container. The uses are used for the treatment of infections of lower respiratory tract, pelvic inflammatory diseases, used for treatment of acute gonococcal urethritis. Then ofloxacin, mainly it is present in the oral suspension form, tablets and ophthalmic solutions. The popular brand names are Xanocin, Oflox, Ixocin, Zenflox, Xanocin and Terivit. Thank you and have a good day.